If you're anything like me, you have a ton of great photos on your phone, but I always struggle with trying to find that one memory that I'm looking for, and I have to keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling just to find that one memory. I've taken a lot of great pictures and I wanted to be able to find it easily. So what I want to do is I want to show you 3 tips on how to go through your pictures in order to find them really quickly and efficiently, so you don't have to spend all that time scrolling through your photos. So the first thing that we want to do is we want you to take your phone out and go to the Photos app. If you scroll down and you go to People and Places and you click on People, you can see that your phone's already identified some of the individuals that you have on your phone. If you click on a face there, you can see that you can actually add a name. So this is Nick. We're going to add Nick's name here and hit Next and Done. So now we can always come back and find all the pictures that we have of Nick on our phone or quickly search for them. Now I'm sure you saw that there's also a tab called Places. So if we go back to our albums, scroll down and click on Places, we can see all the pictures that we've taken in all the different locations. So let's see, we've got San Diego, we've got some in Chicago. So let's say I'm looking for the pictures I took when I went to Canada. I can click on that and it finds all the pictures there for me. Now, if I want to search for it and I know I've already been to all of these places, I can go down to the bottom and hit search, see all the people that I have in my phone, see all the places that I visited. But if I'm looking for something very specific, let's say a picture of my dog, I can click here, type in dog, and it pulls up all the pictures on my phone of the dog. Pretty cool, right? Make sure to hit the subscribe button to find out more ways to make your life easier by unlocking the potential of technology.